3-minute version of how to make an Iron Man MK1 costume. First of all, you start off by tracing your pepper cure templates onto paper and then transferring them over onto EVA foam. This is 10mm thick floor mats, and then you cut those out with a very sharp knife. Some of these parts need to be heat formed, so I use a heat gun to heat these from the back and then carefully bend them into shape, being careful not to burn my fingers. I use a glue gun to glue all my things together. And this is the helmet roughly put together. You can see some details pinned on. I then unpin them and glue them into place, and I'm happy with the placement. And I hinge the front of this so it opens and closes similar to how it does in the movie. Any unsightly seams are filled with some filler, and then it's time to heat seal and paint. This colour is silver and black mixed together, and after that's dry I weather the whole thing with some watered down blacks and browns. I just dab on and then wipe off, leaving it in the recessed areas so it's like dirt and grime build up. And then once the helmet's done, you can just follow this whole procedure for the rest of the body. So this is the back, and I've got a little spinny thing on the back there as well that is just done with a little servo motor. The arms, and they're hinged together just with some Velcro. Legs as well, again hinged at the knee with some Velcro. Quick test fit of everything, make sure it all fits, and then once I know all the parts fit properly, I can then go ahead and do the same sort of paint scheme for the rest of it. So base coat with that like gunmetal grey, which is made with the silver and black paint. Some of the other bits have got some yellows and greens on too, and once all the main colours are on, including any extra details too, like the stenciled writing on the front and the back, all of this is then weathered the same way with some watered down black and brown paint. Dabbed on with a brush and wiped off with a paper towel. It takes a little while, but it's really worth it and really brings these parts alive. Once all that's done, I seal it all with some automotive primer, chuck on a pair of black trousers and an old brown coat, and then I am Iron Man.